Small but mighty. That's the best way to describe the Triton TCMBS Palm Belt Sander. The TCMBS is a 450 watt compact palm belt sander with a 64mm by 406mm sanding belt. Small in size, but very versatile. With the flush side, the TCMBS can sand right to the edge of your workpiece, or, if you're doing flooring, right up to the wall. It also has a small diameter front roller for working in confined areas and those tough to reach spots. Belt tracking means the belts are always centered, prolonging the life of your belts and giving a more even finish during sanding. The lock-on switch reduces fatigue while sanding, as you can turn on the sander without having to hold down a trigger. The rubber over-molded grip increases control and safety, making the sanding process as comfortable as possible. Sanding can be a messy job, so the TCMBS comes with a 32mm dust extraction port at the rear of the tool. Comes with 80, 100 and 120 grit sanding belts in the box. And with quick and easy belt changes, working through the grits is as seamless as possible. The TCMBS has an efficient 450 watt motor, a no-load speed of 340 revolutions per minute, uses 64 by 406mm belts, has a sanding area of 64 by 90mm and an edge sanding gap of 0mm, and weighs just over 2 kilograms. The Triton TCMBS makes light work of most sanding jobs, but really excels in the nitty-gritty tight jobs, with a flush side enabling sanding right to the edge. This compact sander delivers on power and precision, and is a solid choice when control and versatility matter most.